Let's talk about TAO. TAO full name is Bittensor. It's sitting at $311 right now. And I've covered TAO in past as well. Let's see when was the last time I covered it. We did pretty well with TAO, to be very honest with you. Last time we covered this thing on April 11. Today is 21. It's been 10 days. We offered a support area for TAO at 200. It was sitting at $243. First target was 277. And then the next target was 353. These were the two targets we had for TAO, and in past 10 days, of course, it has gone successfully up and hit the first target and missed out on the second one. It got close to it, but then of course it started tumbling. Now of course this is not going to be our support. Now the new support area is going to be 277. So even with the target of 277, you have this structure, and breakout above 277 will pretty much shoot us up crazily. And when I say crazy, I'm talking about going towards $350. So this 277 game is going to be really lucrative. So for us, as long as it holds 277, we would be expecting TAO to be on an upward journey to hit that area of 350. So far, TAO has only gone up and hit the area of 340, as you can see. This was the peak and it went down. But if we talk about 277, I'll show it to you. It has two daily closings above it, one daily candle, second, and this is third one in action right now. Now this indicates that this area is captured, it's conquered, and we can rely on this one as a support area. Now as long as this holds, we will be expecting TAO to go and hit the area of 350. After that we can come back and then we can start talking about 480 and beyond that. But for TAO to have any hope of upward journey, it really needs to hold this area, because TAO is on a continuous downward journey. If I draw a chart here, which I will do just a second, visually if you look at it, it is still in a downward trend. When I say downward trend, I'll show it to you. What do I mean by that? It is stuck in this channel. I drew it with fingers, you can see, but if I just draw it straight, it is actually even if it goes a little higher than that, it can still accommodate it, and this thing is perpetually going down by hitting the upper areas and lower areas of this channel. And every time it goes up, it gives you the hope that okay, now it is going to make it, but it is not. It goes further down. Now if you look at it from larger perspective, good news is this is a falling channel, this is a bullish structure. But the bullshit about this structure is that it is going down from $700 to all the way down towards $100. This is crazy. Now while the channel is bullish, and once it starts breaking out, everyone will start having party and they will start saying, look at it, what an amazing job. But the thing is that from $100 to $700 is a 7x. That's a 700% move. So it is gone down 700%. So if you are someone who bought it at $500 or $400, you are pretty much in deep pain and you are not happy. You're just being a bit happy maybe that it is recovering, and every time it goes a little up, you can take a breather. But the on-ground reality is that you really need to either wait for it to have a breakout if you are looking at it from long-term perspective, or if you want to invest in it because you're so obsessed with it, let's wait for the summer. Summer prices start from, summer has already started. The prices start from June, July, August. Those are going to be the months where you can catch the bottom. It can be in June, July, or August. Last year we had it in August. In previous bear markets, we had different month. Every year it is different. It depends on so many factors, but just to make it easy for you, it is if it is going to be green in last quarter, summers are going to be your bottom. Summers are never green, so don't get don't get a wrong idea that you're going to have a greener summer. That is not going to happen. On top of it, you're dealing with a bear market. But anyway, that's pretty much it with Tao. For Tao, the breakout is going to be above 350, which means that if it conquers 350, lives above it for more than 2 days, then Tao can start its upward journey, and we can finally say, okay, the long journey for $700 has started. And even from 350 to 700 is a 100% move, so it's not a bad decision, at least with a confirmation. But if it is not able to stabilize above 350, which is not even able to touch at this point, Tao is only going to touch that area and then fall further down, and that's Bittensor for you. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.